As you know, print area is a feature in Excel that allows us to print a specific area that we choose. For those of you who are used to using this feature, it must be easy to create or remove print area in Excel. Now, for those of you who are new to using this feature and have difficulty removing the active print area, you need to watch this tutorial. Now, to remove it is quite easy. You just need to go to the Page Layout menu, then select Print Area, then just click Clear Print Area. Now, it will automatically disappear and the dotted lines on all pages or parts of the Excel file will disappear. Likewise, the print preview will display all the data in this Excel file. How are you, friends? Is it easy? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you.